Hathai Kotor
หาตามมาฝ่าย
Di Pramotha Phai ka taklai Di Pramotha Kami kele thansang laye
phai ka taklai Di Pramotha kami kele thansang laye
Anoro se Joko niklai
Di Pramotha se joto niklai
Anaro se joto niklai
Di Pramotha se joto niklai
complete. Till the time we only celebrate and we do not work with honesty, sincerity and with values for our poor people, for our poor indigenous Piprasa people, nothing will be achieved. Many accords have been signed before this, but has not met the desired result. It has not met the desired result because we got too happy, we lost our discipline. Now we have to keep our discipline or time frame ke andar, within a time frame, we have to achieve what has been promised. And I appeal to everyone, those who are not interested in politics, but you are good in education, language, script, law, those who understand our culture, our history, what happened to us in 1974, what happened to us when TLR-LR Act was enacted, what happened to us and how we lost our rights over our land. Today, we need these people to be a part of the committee, not some leader who can give a speech but cannot follow it up with actual facts. Today, we need to speak in a script which was ours. Today we need to decide on the